Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing scratch removal on this car. So first, if you have a scratch, I mean, you guys can tell that that's pretty deep. So you'll want to have like a sanding block and go sand it a little bit until you get down into the paint. And if that's taking too long, then you just say screw it, and you grab a belt sander. Alright, but then you'll see how you have a little bit of imperfections. Like this little dent right here. You want to come over and grab something to knock it in a little bit. You just want a little bit, not a whole lot. So you just kind of want to knock it all in so it all looks the same. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Here's a little bubble right there. Yeah, I think we got her. Alright, and now that you're on paint the primer, you can just come over and grab your paint. Like I said, you don't need any primer on this. It's already been primered. And then you'll just want to kind of, spray it a little bit. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And if you want sweet, awesome accents, you get some like a transparent paint. I use metal cast. Don't even let that dry. You don't want it dry when you put this paint on. So you just want to just kind of spray it on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's like 40 horsepower right there. Pretty good. Pretty good. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe for more content like this. Okay guys, we're going to let this dry and then we'll come back and see what it looks like after.
6.5 hours later.